Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to run Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner. Okay, first you want to search for it on Google or any browser that you have. Then you want to go and click on download and run the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool and make sure that you have it from the official website. And before you run the application, you should make sure that you do not have any Adobe applications opened in the background. And also the Creative Cloud is closed. So double check this point in order to confirm your installation process and the use of the tool. So now I'm going to click on download, then it will start downloading. Now we will have to locate the file that you have been downloading. Then you want to right click and click on run as administrator, then click on yes. It will open the CMD as so. Now you should choose your preferred language. I'm going to choose English, for example. Then you want to enter Y or N in order to say yes or no for the terms and condition. But here in my case, I will choose Y in order to confirm that I agree with the terms and conditions. Then hit the enter. Then now you will have to choose the action and the option to clean up. If you want to clean up all, you will have to choose 1. If you want to clean Adobe Flash Player 10.2, you'll have to click on 2, and so on. Then after you choose the number that you need, you should hit enter. Then you want to confirm this action by typing the same number again. And after confirmation, here it tells you if you want to confirm that you want to remove the selected product from installer database, type Y. If you do not want to confirm, type N. So here in my case, I will type Y. And after that, you want to go and click on enter and restart your PC and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.